Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can customize chat list swipe gesture on Telegram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, of course, we have to open our Telegram application on our phone, and then we can go to the Telegram setting, click on these three lines on the top left and go to the settings. In the settings, we have to choose the chat setting. Right here, just click on the chat setting and you can scroll down until you find the chat list swipe gesture, and here you can choose which action you want to perform when you swipe to the left in the chat list. You can choose archive, read, pin, change folder, or delete. And for instance, when I swipe to the left in the chat list, I'm going to delete the chat. So I'm going to select delete and I'm going to practice it guys. I'm going to go to my chat list, and for example, I'm going to delete this chat. So we just need to swipe to the left like this, and then the chat will be deleted. Okay, and that's so easy, right? Okay guys, and that's how we can customize chat list swipe gesture on Telegram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.